After recent UI changes, Sony has also dropped another stealth update for the PS5 Ps Store. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Just like the UI update, these changes are currently only available to selected users in various parts of the world. One thing to keep in mind is that this isn't a beta update and doesn't require any kind of program participation. Players who received the update notice that Sony's given the PS5 Ps Store's Browse tab a major makeover by moving the recently released category up top. This section now displays large playable video icons rather than game thumbnails. Beneath the icons are relevant tags for each game, as well as a brief one-line description. Up until now, players would have to enter a game's PS Store page in order to get the information. But now that's available upfront. One Reddit user who received the update has shared insights about it, saying that this update makes video trailers autoplay when players hover over them. But it's not confirmed if it actually happens like that. Plus, it's unclear if these changes are being applied across the store or just certain sections. Updates for both the PS5 UI and PS Store console have already started rolling out, and since there's been no word from Sony and players are still figuring out the rollout pattern, the only thing we know for sure is that these updates aren't limited to beta participants and aren't specified for any region. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.